fly to the midnight sun, away again, you nomadic one.
Hey guys, welcome back. It's Dino from 3 Star Nomadic and we're in Ubud. Got this really cool temple across the road. We're going to go over and have a little bit of a sneaky peek at it. So, let's go journey. Hey my puggy.
Hey, how are you?
Good. So here we are in the temple, and at the moment it's we have Nyepi coming up soon, so that's where the whole island shuts down for a while, about 24 hours, so all the bad spirits can go away. So it's actually a really full-on religious time at the moment, and you probably can't see what I'm wearing, but I'll show you a bit of me get-up. Absolutely styling. So when we go to these places, we've got to dress appropriately. So, you know, it's good to have shirts. I think long shirts, some of them, they say, but mainly covering up the legs. A lot of them have a little bit different rules for the ladies and the guys. So it's a similar thing as in Thailand, in the Buddhist temples, and yeah. So we have to act appropriately and have a look around. But it's the Hindu religion of Bali, and from what I can gather, it's a pretty cool vibe, man. So lots of people here doing all of their prayer, and got the jazzy music in the background, so a really well set up little place. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
How are we?
Where are you from?
I'm from Perth, Australia.
Australia?
Yeah, so
I've been here before.
I've been to Bali, but I've never really been to Ubud. I've never been to this temple. So this is a fairly major temple, this one, yeah? It's a good, nice big temple.
In our village, yes.
Yeah,
The
yeah.
biggest temple, yes.
It's very good. Yeah, and you have Nyepi coming up soon.
Well, yes.
Yeah. So everyone will be very busy.
After 3 days.
All the best to you.
So if you join here, later we go to the beach.
Oh, you're doing the walk to the beach today? Yes. So that, what's the name of that? Melasti?
Melasti. Yes.
Yeah, right.
How do you know?
Oh, I just try to study a little bit on it, yeah. Melasti.
Oh, yes.
So which beach do you go to?
Purnama Beach.
Okay.
Close here.
Yeah. Fantastic. I probably won't. I may not see that, but
Around 8 kilo.
yeah. You gonna walk that far? No, I just get down and
I think we use
get close and then
yes.
yeah. Good idea.
4 years.
Yeah.
Now we
Yeah.
have car, but we use car.
Yeah. Fantastic. All right. All the best with that. Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you very much.
Nice holiday.
Yeah. Thank you.
Where you stay?
I'm in Sanua.
Oh, you know.
Yeah.
Name, please.
Yeah.
Name, please. Name. Your name.
My name is Dean.
Dean.
Yeah. Then what's yours?
Rose.
Rose?
Flowers.
Rose, like the flower, yeah.
Nice.
Nice name. Very nice to meet you, Rose.
Nice to meet you. Have a nice holiday.
You too. Thank you. So there you go. Nice people here in Bali. And that's Rose, and they were talking about Melasti. And they do a big walk. So today's Melasti, so all the different areas, they'll have their own walk, and they all walk to the beach. So that's sort of one of the programs in this big Nyepi thing, which I think Nyepi, you could say, is probably the biggest religious part of the year. I'm pretty sure, or if not, a very big one of them. So they all get together, they walk to the beach. As Rose says, the nearest beach from here, because we're quite central in the middle of Bali here, is about 8 k's or something. So they drive now a little bit closer, and then they will they'll go from there and just do their walk to the beach, maybe for a kilometre or something, and that's their Melasti. They get to the beach and do their ceremonies. And as I say, with Nyepi coming up soon, I'm not going to stay for Nyepi this year because everything has to shut down. You basically can't go out or anything, so I'm going to go over towards Lombok to the Gili Islands for a few days there. I've actually done a Nyepi here already. I'd suggest for anyone to do it. Get a good hotel, hang out, and can be quite interesting. It's something that I'm glad that I did once. So yeah, anyway, we'll just have a bit of a look around here, and then we'll head off. G'day, Aussie.
Yeah, just like this is okay.
Good idea. You have a good day. Thank you. All right, guys, there we go. We have the temple, and as I said, we'll head off and have a look at something else. So I'm in the car now with Colmung. He's going to drive us around, and we're going to head off to a waterfall now and just have a bit of a look-see. So let's go get it. So here we are, guys, at the waterfall, and we're going to go for a bit of a wander. So this is the entrance. I've just got out now, and you can get a few little bits and pieces here. Heaps of stuff to buy.
Yes, because
Always all the little hello, good morning to you. Little dog having a bit of a rest. Good morning, how are you? Good morning, good morning. I think we might have a ticket check here, so I'm glad I didn't throw it away. Here's my ticket. Good morning, how are you? So what do I see here? I just walk down here?
Yes.
Yeah?
Stamp your hand, please.
Oh, stamp. Look at that.
Thank you.
And I'll hold that too. Thank you very much. Are you allowed to throw fly drones here? Drones? Yeah.
Yes, it's okay.
Can down here?
Yeah.
Thank you. Alright, so there we have it. We're okay for the drone. So I've been told you get some fresh fruit. Hey buddy, no, I'm good thanks. Can I just have a look? Is that okay? So I just see a nice little place down here, and you can get a bit of an idea of what we're looking at. Oh wow, that's pretty cool, isn't it? I'm assuming I may be able to go across that bridge. Let's go see. If you're wondering what just happened then, I just nearly tripped us up because this one here got cooked on that one. That's a bit of a trap. Wow. Whoops. Love you, Lisa. So there we go. Hope you enjoyed that little bit of drone footage there over the beautiful waterfall. Now I'm gonna go take the hike all the way down there. Who knows, might even have a dip in the water. Morning. Hey guys, walking down the big steps. You know how I love steps. No, I'm starting to wish I didn't go for that big walk yesterday now, but hey, it's pretty awesome. It's going to be worth it. Here we are guys at the base of the waterfall. Really nice down here. I'm still checking out that bridge up behind me, see if we can walk over that. Also, there's only so much walking I can do, but it's a warm one. But you gotta love that, don't ya? The hard work begins. Hey! Must have some pretty big birds here. Check out the size of this nest. They even made steps for it. Unreal. Well guys, that was beautiful, but I'm not gonna lie, that's a long way coming up. Oh, I needed that. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that. Beautiful place. A lot of walking, but hey, have a look at that. Well worth it. Having a look at the temple and this beautiful waterfall. Hang in there because we're gonna be heading in. Next time we'll go into Ubud itself, have a good look around there. So make sure you're looking for that in the next vlog. All right guys. Dino from 3 Star Nomadic. Catch you down the track.
And I saw away again, nomadic one.